Three mountain dons, Dhaulagiri, Annapurna, Kanchenjunga. Now 3 more to go.
He had a stubborn nature. He would accomplish whatever he wanted or desired, whatever he thought of doing. No one could change his mind, and he would accomplish it by any means. If I asked him not to go down or climb the slope, he would definitely get across or climb it anyway. He used to hunt for crabs and hit the beehives or similar insects with his fist and bear the stings of the insects and say, I should enjoy the pain.
We are observing a day of mourning, and the rural municipality has also announced a holiday today for him. The chairman of the rural municipality has announced that they will erect a statue dedicated to Nirmal.